Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your AI influencer using Stable Diffusion in 2024. Of course, we will walk you through the steps to generate and develop an AI influencer with the help of Stable Diffusion model. This is perfect for creating some unique and engaging content for your social media platforms. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and open, of course, a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use this how you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, just type stable diffusion and hit the enter button. Once you do so, click on this URL section. The first one, as you can see, stable diffusion 3, so you can use it. Just go and click on it. And of course, before you even do anything, you'll need to understand what's a stable diffusion. Stable diffusion, of course, is an advanced AI model designed to generate some realistic images and characters based on the text description. And of course, this powerful tool can be used to create some unique and personalized AI influencers by providing some specific details about the appearance and personality of a character you want to develop. To begin, of course, you make sure you have access to the stable diffusion model either through a cloud based service or by installing it on your local machine. Of course, you can simply just go and type maybe stable diffusion download, and of course, you'll need to go and download it. Of course, as you can see here, you'll be able to see the public release dates because it's still not normally fully published to the public, but of course you'll be able, of course, to go to Stable Diffusion AI slash Stable Diffusion. As you can see, you can simply see where it's going to be available or not. Of course, you can try it right now or download the code to which is the API, of course, and etc. So from here, as you can see, you can start your free trial or log in into an account if you have an account. And of course, once you click on Start Free Trial, you'll get a 3 days free trial on each plan that you choose, whatever you want. And depending on the plan that you choose, you will get some credits, as you can see. This is monthly. Of course, if you want to pay yearly, probably it's going to be okay, yeah, it's cheaper. So cheaper by 2 months, you get 2 months for free, it seems. So you'll pay 10 months per year and you'll get 12. And yeah, as you can see, you get some credit depending on your stuff, how much you're going to use it and etc. And as I said, of course, if you want to use it, just go and click on this first image and simply just go and start using it as an example. So activating humanity potential through generative AI. So before, as an example, to use it, you'll need, as we said before, to give them the specific details about the appearance and personality of a character. So you don't mess it around. You'll have to save the specifics that you give them all the time. You can get some specific by ChatGPT as an example or something like that. So I'll just go here, open chats.openai.com as an example. So we're using AI for everything. We don't need to do something. Of course, make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. As an example, if you don't, you'll have to go and create a new one. Very simple. And yeah, I'll just go and log in here into this account. Simple as that. And yeah, my session is expired. That's why I'm trying to log in. So yeah, again, continue with Google. Log in with this account. And we run into an issue. Of course, go back and log in soon. So I'll just go and stay log out at the moment. Of course, my chats will not be saved, as you can see, but it's fine. So example, I'll just type give me a lot of specific or a lot of an example, okay, or give me some specific details about a certain person, uh, like example, and give me all the details as example. So details and give me. Of course, you don't even need to correct if you misspelled something. I will understand it. So creates random character human and give me specific as example. So specific details about their appearance. Their appearance, as simple as that. Because I don't want to like create something by my own, so I'll just go and type that. So yeah, as you can see, name, age, appearance, background, everything. So I just need an example of this. I'll just go and copy it, go here to stable AI. Of course, you'll need to go, as I said before, click on try in here. Make sure to go and download it. Simply just click on download now. And as you can see, you'll get the code for it. You simply have to download the code. As you can see, you'll find like what it can do, something like that. So this is just the examples of it. And as you can see, you can create a model like this guy in here. So yeah, I'll just go here to post as example. So here people as example posting whatever result they got. So this guy's example, yeah, is doing AI comic factory or whatever it is. This one, I don't know. So it depend on people whatever they're doing here. So basically, you'll need to go and download this as we said. Of course, to download it, you'll be able to download the code. But if you want to just use it, you can start your free trial. Of course, you'll get some credits, and each like image created, this will cost you some credits, so keep that in mind. For example, let's say we want this, I can just simply go and click on get started with this sender plan, and basically, so just wait. Of course, you'll find it's gonna be like a text to image. So here it's gonna be something like that. So you'll have just to type something like that as example. Then it will create the character. Of course, you'll get multiple characters or pictures. You can simply just save them and post them on your social media. So example here, you'll have to log in into an account. If you have an account, so I'll just go here and log in with Google again. Of course, it will give them like Google give them your name, email address, and a lot of other informations. For example, yeah, accept the cookies, why not? So in here, of course, you'll have to fill up your information to pay. Click on start your free trial as an example after that. If you have any promotional code, just go and enter it out. It might reduce this for you and you should be good to go. Once you pay, you'll be able to use it without any problems. As I said, depends on the credit that you have. If you lost your credits, you'll not be able to use it anymore unless you buy some credits or wait for the month until it's finished. Or you can simply, as we said, try the medium right now. If you just want to download this, click on download and you'll need to download it, as you can see. So as an example, you should be like good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.